Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about administrative units within Microsoft Entra ID. Administrative units are very similar to your on-premises Active Directory OU structure, but the only difference is you cannot sync them with Microsoft Entra Connect or Cloud Sync. You have to recreate them again. So you have a difference. You have to start from a scratch, right? The reason being, even though it is a similar, they are not going to sync because Microsoft Entra ID is a flat model. It cannot have a nested or child domain kind of infrastructure. Instead, it will have it's a flat structure. But from a point of um, granting the permissions, yes, it is almost the same, and you have a similar configuration can be applied from a administrative unit point of view. If you look at here, there's a central administrator called, in this case, maybe a cloud admin example. And what he can do is he can create an administrative unit for the school, example, the school business, and you could populate the administrative unit with only the students and staff with a school for this business. For example, School of Engineering here, and security team or executive team and School of Business. So these four boxes we can say as the administrative units, and you can populate the user objects within this. And later point you could apply a permissions on top of your administrative unit to manage it. So when you're trying to manage, you need to have a license. So the objects that inside this administrative unit is may not require a license, but the admin who's going to manage this administrative unit, at least they need to have a P1 license, otherwise they cannot manage. So if you could look at, you can always this web page that is referenced within this lecture, and the only constraint point of view would be the you cannot nested these administrative groups, and these are currently not available in Microsoft Entra ID governance. Let's jump into a quick demo to create administrative unit. So once you log into Entra.Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and then navigate to Identity and click on Show More, and then look into Roles and Admin and click on Admin Unit. So this is where you would be creating administrative units. Let's say I have OU in my on-premises. I want to control this specific structure. For example, instead of school business, let's say I have all the objects that I wanted to pull into the specific administrative unit called a location based, for example, London. I would simply navigate